Well, let's talk a little bit about the hardtop kit, which is actually a three-piece kit. First of all, there is the 1/4-inch thick hardtop. Secondly, there is the windshield bezel. Now you'll note that this is thicker than the average A pillar. By having a windshield bezel, what happens is it holds up the roof higher than the original A pillar, so you don't have to cut down your B pillar. So that is the second component. Number one component is the hardtop. Number two is the windshield bezel. And finally, on the inside is your C pillar. And your C pillar, if you take a look across the way there, this is tapered. That's because hard doors are a different shape than soft doors. So that accounts for that difference. So that is the complete kit.